Today's tech tip introduces a new feature in Google Docs where you can insert an image via camera. What this does is it eliminates a number of steps that students have to take in order to insert a picture taken from their camera into any type of document that they're making. Now, we're not talking about a phone camera. What we're talking about is the camera that's built into the Chromebooks that the students have. So they can create any new document or even have a document that you've pushed out to them through Google Drive. And once they're in that document, Docs, Slides, even Google Forms, which we talked about last week, once they go in there, they'll go Insert, Image from Camera. Now, the first time they use this, hi everybody, the first time they use this, it will say that Google wants to use your camera and the students just have to click Allow. Now, they can insert a picture of themselves, but this works really well if you wanted to take a photo of student work, and students are better at this than I am. So they hold their work up, take a picture, choose the picture they want, and then click Insert. And the picture goes straight into their document. And students can write around it or use it however they wish in that document. It works great with our drawing documents. Same thing can happen. Insert image by camera. You can take a picture. Nice picture. Let's take another one. Choose that photo and click Insert. And now they can move it around in a drawing program. They can annotate it. They can draw text boxes around it, just like we talked about last week when we talked about annotation. The same thing works in a presentation. Insert, image from camera. So give it a shot, use it today, have students take pictures of maybe projects that they've done or posters that they've done and annotate them. But it's a really quick way to add these into your projects. Have a great Tuesday.